All right, actually three waves in the tropics, two that I'm keeping a close eye on. We have two circles now. The first has 30% chance of developing in the next 5 days. The second one, closer to Africa, has a 40% chance, but this is the one we should keep an eye on, at least in the short term. It is tracking toward the Caribbean, Puerto Rico, and then eventually toward the southeast coast. And even if it doesn't develop, it looks like it'll bring us higher rain chances starting late Monday night and Tuesday, and maybe lingering into Wednesday, depending on the future track. Now, these models, I wouldn't base a hurricane forecast on these models, but they're almost all the models are matching up with the track west and then eventually west-northwest out through the weekend and early next week. So here's the scenario. There's actually a third wave that'll come off the coast on the Friday or the weekend, but the first one has a track through the Caribbean and then eventually just the northern edge just brushes South Florida on Tuesday and then moves into the Gulf of Mexico. Most of the heavier rain stay to the south, the western tip of Cuba. And then the second wave at this point may actually just fizzle out and not be an issue for us at all. We need the rainfall, so if it comes in as a weak system, as a tropical wave with no organization, it could be a pretty good rainmaker for us, and we can pick up some much needed wet weather. All right, sunshine and beautiful weather cooling off tonight, eventually late overnight. A partly cloudy sky and a slight rain chance along the coastline. There is 8:30 in the morning, looking good. Lots of sunshine through the day. Showers and storms back around the lake. Not much at the coastline. And Saturday shaping up to be a similar situation. And the temperatures at 90 to 92 right through Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And with our rain day at this point looking like Tuesday. All right, hot and humid for boaters, seas 1 to 2, and a light east-southeast wind at 5 to 10. Light chop for the inland waters, looking good overnight, 80. Beautiful, cooling off slowly. Going to drop about 10 degrees for overnight lows. And then the 7-day forecast, sunshine, low rain chances Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday. And with the tropical wave, depending on the future track and how fast it's moving, should bring us some much-needed rainfall for next Tuesday.